Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today in this lecture we will discuss here the very most important topic of your paper statistical physics, which is thermodynamic probability. So friends, today we will continue in our lecture series and we will discuss here the all about of thermodynamic probability. So here we will continue with my topic thermodynamic probability. Friends, as we have told you in my previous lectures, how we can calculate the number of microstate or microstate for nth particle. Friends, for nth particle we have told you the number of microstate will be n plus 1 and number of microstate will be 2 to the power of n. Here n represents the small number of particles or nth number of particles. Small, here it may be 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here n represents the number of particles. So friends, here we will see firstly the definition of thermodynamic probability. The total number of microstate corresponding to any given microstate is known as thermodynamic probability. So here we can write the total number of microstate corresponding to any given microstate is known as thermodynamic probability. Friends, the symbol of thermodynamic probability is capital letter of W or omega. We can represent thermodynamic probability by any one from these two letters, capital letter of W or omega. Mostly we will use to represent the thermodynamic probability the letter capital letter of W. We will use mostly to represent the thermodynamic probability my lectures or in my problems. So friends, here now we will continue and we will see here how we can calculate total number of microstate corresponding to any given microstate. Here friends, the total number of microstate of any given microstate is equal to the total number of meaningful arrangement. Total number of meaningful arrangement. Friends, total number of meaningful arrangement in maths, all of you have studied how you can find out the total number of meaningful arrangement. Total number of meaningful arrangement we can find out by the formula total number of meaningful arrangement here we can find out by the formula factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. We can find out by this formula total number of meaningful arrangement. Also, all of you have discussed in previous classes in class 12 this formula. This formula may be represent also NCR. In the short form, this formula also may be known as NCR or factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. Now friends, here we will know what is r and what is n minus r and what is n. Now to realize all this term, what is n, what is r, what is n minus r, we are choosing some example. Friends, as we have told you, the total number of microstate of any given microstate is equal to the total number of meaningful arrangement, and the total number of meaningful arrangement we can find out by this formula. So here we can write also total number of microstate of any given microstate is equal to thermodynamic probability, and which may be represented by the letter W is equal to factorial n upon factorial r upon factorial n minus r or NCR. We can realize this concept also with the help of some example. My example is, here we are taking some example. Here suppose we have total number of particles n. Now suppose we have total number of particles is n, and we distribute it into two compartments. So friends, if we are assuming if r number of particles are in compartment 1, then remains n minus r particles, will go into the compartment 2. Then what are the microstate? Here r n minus r will be the microstate. Why it will be the microstate? We have told you in previous lecture. Here we can assume this compartment as a cell also, cell 1 and cell 2. Here we are assuming here we have two compartments, 1 and 2, and we are distributing n particles into this compartment. Then if r number of particles are in compartment 1, small r number of particles is present in compartment 1, then remains n minus r particles will be present in the compartment 2. So here the microstate are here total number of microstate r n minus r will be, it will be w r n minus r is equal to factorial n upon factorial r factorial n minus r, or it may be also NCR. So friends, it will be the total number of microstate of, or we can say that corresponding to microstate r n minus r. Here at the place of r and n minus r, we can choose any number and we can find out very easily the thermodynamic probability corresponding to that microstate. How we can use this formula? Now we are assuming some examples. If we have n is equal to 4, and so if 4 number of particles we will distribute into 2 compartments, then we can find out many microstate. Many microstate means here we want to say that total 5 microstate. To distribute 4 particles into 2 compartments, we will find out total number of microstate 5. So we can choose here any microstate and we will prove here the total number of microstate. So if n is equal to 4 and r is equal to, we are taking here 3, then what will be n minus r? Then n minus r will be 1, n will be 4 and r here we have chosen 3, then it will be 1, n minus r will be 1. So with the help of this formula, W31 is equal to factorial 4 upon factorial 3 into factorial 1. So here we can solve it. 4 multiplied by factorial 3 by factorial 3 into 1. It will go cancel out and we will find out 4. It will be the total number of microstate corresponding to this microstate, 3-1. Also we have proved for 3-1 the total number of microstate will be 4. So friends, if we are choosing the next microstate, as we have told you, if we are choosing here n is equal to 4 number of particles and if we are choosing r is equal to 2, then what will be n minus r? Then n minus r will be also 2. And how we can calculate the thermodynamic probability or total number of microstate corresponding to this microstate? What are the microstate? 2, 2. Here microstate will be 2, 2 because r is equal to 2 and minus r also will be 2. So W22 is equal to factorial n will be factorial 4 upon factorial r will be factorial 2 and factorial n minus r, it will be also factorial 2. So friends, after solving we can get here factorial 4, it will be 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by factorial 2 upon factorial 2 multiplied by factorial 2, it will go cancel out and 4 multiplied by 3 upon factorial 2, it will be 2 multiplied by 1, 2 2 is 4 is equal to 6. So friends, also we have proved in my previous lecture, W22 are the total number of microstate corresponding to microstate 2 is equal to 6. We have proved in my previous lecture also, and here we have proved today also in this formula, by this formula or today in this lecture. We have found same result. Now we can choose here also r is equal to 0 and n minus r will be, then it will be 4. So for it we can find out W04 is equal to factorial 4 upon factorial 0 into factorial 1. Factorial, it will be n minus r will be here 4, it will be 4, it will go cancel out and the value of factorial 0 is 1, so it will be 1. Also we have proved it in my previous lecture, but in previous lecture we have told you by another method. Today here we are finding out the total number of microstate by the another method. So it is the very simple method to calculate the total number of microstate corresponding to any given microstate. It is known as thermodynamic probability, and also it may be the total number of meaningful arrangement. It is also known, it may be also called the total number of meaningful arrangement. So friends, now we will continue and we will find out the probability. What is the probability of microstate? Firstly, we will discuss here the definition of probability of microstate. Here we will discuss probability. Friends, probability of microstate is defined as the ratio of total number of microstate of any given microstate and total number of microstate of system. We can represent it mathematically. P is equal to the total number of microstate of given microstate upon total number of microstate of system. Friends, if we are taking here the n number of particles, we want to distribute n number of particles into the C compartments, then total number of arrangement, total number of distribution which are possible to distribute n particles into C compartment we can use the formula C C to the power n. C to the power n. Here C is the compartment and n is the number of particles. Here we can distribute the n number of particles into C compartment by this formula. If C is equal to 2 and n is equal to 4, then we will find out 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. It will be the total number of microstate. Total number of microstate we can find out by the formula into 2 box 2 to the power of n. Here we can write total number of microstate is equal to 2 to the power of n. Total number of microstate also we have discussed in my previous lecture, and we have proved for same 4 particles the total number of microstate we have proved 16. Total number of microstate we have proved in my previous lecture by the formula also we can write here is equal to 16, and we have proved in my previous lecture also in details. So friends, the total number of microstate will be 2 to the power n. Here n is the number of particles and 2 is the number of compartment. Now here what will be the probability of microstate? Here with the help of this formula, P micro is equal to total number of microstate of given microstate, means we can say it will be the thermodynamic probability W, and total number of microstate of any system. And here we are not considering system have any finite number of particles, we are assuming here system have n particles. So friends, total number of microstates here, as we have told you, we can calculate by the formula 2 to the power of n. Now friends, P micro, or we can say that probability of microstate r n minus r will be very simply P r n minus r. It will be what? Result will be P r n minus r. It will be W, or we can say that we can place the value of W, and it will be 1 upon 2 to the power n factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r, or we can write here 1 upon 2 to the power n into NCr. It will be probability of microstate, probability of r n minus r will be 1 upon 2 to the power n into NCr. Now friends, we will discuss the condition of combination possessing maximum probability and combination possessing minimum probability, and also we will discuss in my upcoming lectures what relation with the probability of microstate and thermodynamic probability. We will discuss all these things in my upcoming lectures. Today we will stop here, and we have introduced what is the thermodynamic probability. Now we will discuss in my upcoming lectures what relations between the P micro or probability and thermodynamic probability. So friends, today we will stop here. Thank you very much.